It's Naya and Ellie. Today we're doing the small piping bag challenge. They're really small.
So we have all these mini piping bags with different ingredients.
And this one is Baby Shark.
Yeah, there's Baby Shark slime. So we are going to be mixing these up and getting them all. Baby piping bag.
Mommy Shark.
Mommy piping bag. Daddy piping bag. Baby piping bag. Okay, we're tired. Okay, guys, and if you don't know, this is Naya versus Ellie. This is not the Naya and Ellie Toy Show. This is our new competition channel, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you're just on Naya and Ellie Toy Show, if you're subscribed to that, you won't get these videos. Make sure you subscribe and what?
Subscribe.
Oh, Lord. Hit the notification bell. It looks like these two will not be getting Naya versus Ellie videos. Okay, it's time for rock, paper, scissors. Let's see who goes
Rock, paper, scissors, blue.
Okay, so it looks like Team Big Sister is the first one to go. Okay, since Naya had the first rock, paper, scissors, she's going to pick the first number.
Okay. Number 4, guys.
Number 4. Look, guys, she got Baby Shark. Baby Shark.
We should do a Baby Shark challenge. Baby Shark, do. 16 with Dollar Trade. 16 with no Dollar
16 with
Trade.
no dot of trade. Ellie keeps wanting dot.
Wait, you said next
Oh,
one.
Ellie, you have beads. Oh, that is pretty. That is pretty slime. That is pretty glue.
Oh my God.
I have to admit, guys, I have to show you a close-up of her glue. It's so pretty. All right, so look at Ellie's, guys. It has glitter and these crystal beads in it. I don't even know if you guys can see how pretty it is on screen, but it's stunning.
Hey, I got 2 with the Dollar Trade.
Let's take a look if she really has dot of trade. She usually doesn't call fake dot of trades, and she is correct. She does have the dot of trade. Ellie, I need you to pick one.
13.
13. Okay, with no dot of trade. So let's take 2 and let's take 13. So Naya has this
What?
one, and Ellie has this one.
I'm gonna keep I'm gonna get the purple.
What are you gonna do?
Purple.
Okay, so she is actually trading for Ellie's. Ellie's, how are you feeling about that? She's doing a hair flip. That's all she's giving us.
I don't need that purple. I got the glitter on me, so I don't need that purple. That purple.
Okay, so there are her purple beads. Ellie, you ready for your yellow fish beads? And
Squeeze out the pimples.
Ew.
Okay, Ellie, that's really sunny. I got 10. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Here we go. She has this pink one.
Ellie's like,
And this is actually pink dish soap. Oh my goodness, guys, this is a two-tone. So it looks like you just have a dark blue glitter on this side. Then when you turn it around, OMG, look at that and look at that, guys. So it looks like, I think this is the mermaid one. And
this is something green. No, it's not. Because she gets green. I'm going to.
remember, guys, you're going to vote and see whose slime reigns supreme in this challenge in the mini piping bags. So here we are. Oh, she has the confetti ice cream cone. See how it kind of looks like an ice cream cone with confetti at the top? You ready, Naya?
Yes.
Oh. Oh, and look, Ellie, you are just loving these little clear fish beads, aren't you, today? Lots of clear.
Shiny. Ellie loves.
All right, so once you hold that and let's see it come out.
Why does Ellie have so many beads? The beads.
She's making, looks like
But
mermaid
mine
slime.
wants to be crystal.
It looks like
right?
mermaid slime, right?
If she has yellow. Number 7.
Number 7, so.
I hate 7.
Oh, Naya hates number 7. You're not talking to me because I'm me. You picked this number, my dear.
No, I didn't.
So
You
Naya
did that.
doesn't like these beads, but she's getting it. Can you squeeze them out?
14.
14. 14. Okay, so she got this beautiful, it looks clear on one part, but if you look at the back of it, makes it turn to glitter.
This is nice, Stella, she said.
Okay, squeeze the top and whoa.
You get all that glitter. Glitter is all
Oh,
it's
Ellie's
so
is
light.
so pretty. Mine's so ugly. Number 11 with the dot tray.
Oh, no, Naya, you are a dot of trading today. On a
We
vengeance.
put the dollar trade on there.
Okay.
We snuck some dollar trades, Mommy. Okay.
Oh!
We stuck the dollar trade.
I see you snuck some dots of trade. Look, guys, Ellie got 12 with a dot of trade. Naya has 11. That means when they both have dot of trade, it is a race to see who can get rock, paper, scissors, and they get to choose. So it looks like it is number 11, which is Naya, which is this pink glue, and number 12, which is Ellie, which is these pink beads.
Or I think magenta.
Magenta, yeah, kind of beads. All right, let's do rock, paper, scissors. See who
Yes.
Oh,
Pink.
the pink glue?
No, the pink.
Pink beads. Okay. All right, why don't you squeeze it up high? Let's.
I'm gonna place it up here.
All right. Whoa.
This is, it makes my beads look so pretty.
It makes the beads look ugly.
She keeps getting those beads. Her slime keeps bead slime. She gets
She gets
these
these
blue beads.
Oh, I get this one and this
All right,
one,
it
and
is
this
now
one,
Naya's turn
and
again.
this one.
5 with the dot tray.
There is no dot of trade on 5. You guys snuck all these dots of trade. Okay, so we have another fake dot of trade. Pick yours as well.
I put the dot tray.
Ellie has 1. Naya has 5. Naya, which one do you prefer?
Apple color orange.
Orange? Okay, so Naya.
Thank you.
Yeah, my last dollar trade was a fake one.
Whoa! It looks like Ellie has green.
I didn't even get to see that because I was so squeezing mine.
Ellie has green water, actually.
I got drag.
Ooh!
Okay.
So Naya got the unicorn horn. The unicorn horn has pink and blue in it, and it has really pretty iridescent sparkles. We love this color. And let's get that unicorn out. Okay. Ellie has number 6, and she gets this gold glitter yellow. Gold glitter yellow. Ellie doesn't look happy about her situation.
What?
You don't like
She
the gold?
loves gold and black.
I thought you liked
Oh, wait, I do like it. Why am I being
Well, why are
silly?
you upset?
Yeah, she's like,
Why am I being silly
All right,
and
so
stuff?
squeeze
I
it.
love it.
And
Wait, why is Michael Lego and I unicorn is special? Like, I think the unicorn has a life Naya.
number 15. Oh, Naya's happy because she finally got some fish beads, and they're her favorite color, which is an aqua or a
Yeah,
teal.
Wow.
She loves that. There we go.
17.
Oh, hand that over. Ellie got our Galaxy unicorn horn. Take a look. Ellie is not going to waste a drop of this glue, are you, Ellie? Ellie loves this glue. Oh, it's pretty. Now, we only have 2 piping bags left. If you guys don't know, our last round is
Little.
always a trade round. Okay, so the next person to go is Naya. Pick a number real quick. Pick it, pick it, pick it, pick it. Don't look, pick it. That's it, okay? Ellie, pick the other number. What are you guys' numbers?
19.
Okay, so Ellie has 19, which is this purple, and Naya has this 9.
I'm a
Okay,
winner,
which
son.
is a beautiful, if you guys can't see it, there is blue glitter in here.
Shoot.
Blue.
Okay, Ellie has chosen blue glitter. All right, look at that ombre. Woo! It was an ombre blue glitter. Team Ellie, this is what you have. You have a lot of glitter, you have a lot of beads, a lot of different colors in there. And Team Naya, this is what you're working with. You have foam beads, glue. Okay, let's start mixing. After Ellie's mixing, take a look. It looks green and sparkly.
This.
Now, after Naya's mixing, hers is kind of like a purplish, pinkish with a bunch of beads.
I think it's definitely pink. Like pink is like really light pink.
Now I'm going to add a little bit of activator to each so we can turn it into slime.
Ugly. Everything's ugly.
Okay, go ahead and you go ahead.
This is such a little bit of slime.
I just not towards the slime at all these days.
Okay guys, look at your Christmas slime. If you're Team Ellie, you have sparkle, you have Christmas ornaments in there. It looks just like Christmas tree slime. Let's see you give us a stretch now, Ellie. Whoa, get us something bigger. There you go. There's Ellie's stretch. So this is Team Big Sister. Look at that, guys. Let us know if this is your favorite or Ellie. Go ahead and give us a stretch, Big Sister. Whoa.
I think
All
this
right.
looks like mine really.
All right, guys, I think we, oh, look at little sister. I was adjusting the camera and little sister.
Look.
Whoa, we got a long one. Let's see. Oh, Ellie's giving it to us. Guys, let us know who won. Make sure you leave your comment below, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell, and we'll see you next time on Naya vs. Ellie.
Bye, guys.